Good evening. Today is December 14, 2023 Thursday, and here are the 7 p.m. STL Visayas result today. Here are the SL Swear 3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Laka 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for December 14, 2023 Thursday. STL Swear 3 7 p.m. result is here for Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for Thursday, December 14, 2023. Thank you for watching this 7 p.m. video for evening of December 14, 2023, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.